This is the Akai MPC Key 37, and this is our battery expansion kit. In this guide, we'll demonstrate how to install the battery expansion kit. If you're already using an external battery, fear not, because this hot dog bun can fit anything within 23mm. To get started, we want to stick the included silicone pads into their designated cutouts on the bracket. Next, flip the unit over and remove 3 screws above the power button. These align with the cavities on your Key 37. Slide the bracket into position and firmly press down until the 2 surfaces meet. We can take the original screws and fasten the bracket to the chassis. If you haven't already, disconnect the battery before you continue. The Key 37 runs off of a 12-volt power supply, unlike the Live 2 and 1, which run off 19 volts. We can cycle between voltages by pressing the power button once. That powers on. Press and hold the button until the voltage blinks. Release and single press until you land on 12 volts. Once it shows 12 volts, leave it and it will automatically confirm your selection. Finally, we can place the battery into the bracket. It's important to turn the battery on before connecting it up to your gear. You might have switched the power output prior to this session, so confirming what you have it set to before it's connected is safe practice. There it is! No more tacky Velcro strips. Now go touch grass and have fun with your wireless powerhouse. Au revoir!